Unmanaged switches are about to get much more powerful. Introducing the new NETGEAR Unmanaged High-Power PoE Switch family. Ideal for homes and small businesses to power a large range of devices. With power budgets ranging from 260 watts to an incredible 480 watts. 2 switches are available in 16 to 24 ports of PoE+. Cost-effective and powerful switches with a great cost to PoE budget ratio. Ideal for powering and connecting VoIP phones, wireless access points, IP cameras, and IoT devices. Or if you need even more power per port, make use of 8 to 16 ports of Ultra PoE++ with an amazing 60 watts per port from 2 other switches in the family. These switches are perfect for speakers, high-end 4K or 8K cameras, and LED lighting. Plus, these unmanaged switches are just plug and play, with no UI configuration needed. Also, experience their compact and flexible design, with a small case and internal power supply and whisper-quiet fans, perfect for any desktop, wall mount, or rack mount deployment. And have complete peace of mind with NETGEAR limited lifetime warranty and 24/7 lifetime chat service.